In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Patreon members. If you need a downloadable list of your patrons for reporting, organization, or outreach, Patreon makes this pretty simple through the Creator Studio on desktop. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can export your member data as a CSV file. To begin, open your Patreon Creator Studio desktop page. It's important to do this on the desktop version of Patreon since that's where the member management and export tools are easiest to access. Once the page loads, you'll be in the main area where you manage your creator account. Next, look to the left-hand navigation bar and click Audience. This section is where Patreon groups together information about the people who support your page. If you're trying to manage members, review support status, or prepare an export, this is the place you'll want to be. After that, select Relationship Manager. This is the tool Patreon provides for viewing and managing your members in a table format. It gives you a clearer overview of your supporters and includes the export options you'll need for downloading the data. Once you're in the Relationship Manager, you can use the filters or the search tool if you only want to export a specific group of members. For example, you might want to narrow the list down to active members, cancelled members, or paid members only. This is especially helpful if you don't need your full audience list and want a cleaner spreadsheet that only includes the group you're focused on. If you want more control over what appears in your export, click the Table Settings icon. This lets you customize which columns and data points are visible in the table, and depending on the export behavior, helps ensure the spreadsheet includes the information that matters most to you. Taking a moment here can save time later, especially if you plan to sort, review, or share the file internally. When everything looks the way you want, click the CSV button. Patreon will then download the spreadsheet file directly to your device. CSV files are useful because they can be opened in spreadsheet tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or other data management apps, making it easy to review, filter, and organize your member information after the export is complete. That's all it takes to export Patreon members. Once your file has downloaded, you can store it, analyze it, or use it for your workflow as needed.